dream of a dwelling inside. Along we come, and along we go. And who am I to know what I feel? Sympathy that's tearing me apart. Attraction of the distance to a heart. Or affinity. What if love will leave your heart an open sore, and I can't reveal what even I don't know? The love you feel, you waste away on me. What kind of love will let us bleed away? No kind of love will make us bleed away.
If only you could be the one to take a look inside. I feel so incomplete, a broken man